Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, Michigan got blasted with the snowstorm again. It was a total whiteout. Here we have the guy blowing off the sidewalk again. As you guys can see, the entire parking lot is just a whiteout. And I don't know if you guys can see down at the very edges of the parking lot, we have like 10-foot high mountains of snow already from where the plows made the big piles, and they're probably going to have to come again and replow the entire parking lot because it's a total whiteout. Here you guys see the guy blowing off the sidewalk, and any minute now the plow trucks and the salt trucks should be getting here. So yeah, we had a total whiteout again. I hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you guys are staying warmer than we are here in Michigan. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.